क्या आप देश और दुनिया की खबरों से रह जाते हैं बेखबर? तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए हमारे HT न्यूज चैनल को और बेल आइकॉन को दबाना मत भूलिएगा।
Harchal, a young woman in PS to get married. A young woman huddled at the Babupalli police station in Hyderabad insisted on having a wedding with the boyfriend. A young woman, 22, of Chitrapuri colony near Manikonda got acquainted with the senior manager at a tech company in Madhapur a few years ago. Gradually it became love. This led the young woman to marry. However, since he was married, he stopped talking to the young woman. This led directly to his residence in Bichapalli on Wednesday. Only his parents were in the house at the time. Got into the house to have a wedding with your boy. The old couple phoned the police not knowing what was happening. The police took the young woman along with her parents to the police station. Threatened to die with him otherwise he would marry her. Items were hurled at the police station. The head hit the wall and cried. She was relieved when she was finally told to bring him to the police station.